Guys, welcome to my channel. I know you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing with all this stuff right here. I'm going to be working on a little project. I was in the thrift store and I came across this cute little tricycle and my son fell in love with it. And it was only $4.99 with 30% off. So I figured, let me get it and then I'll restore it to make it look brand new. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the handlebars. I'm going to try and get all this rust off of it, and then I'm going to clean it up and then spray paint it, and I'll show you guys step by step on what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I moved to the inside because it's getting too dark outside. So this is what I did so far. It's coming along good. So I'm going to finish scrubbing the rust off. You guys can see it.
And because full benefits are not paid in the first 2 years, your acceptance is guaranteed.
So I'm going to finish the rest off and then I'll show you how it looks. The other side with baking soda and toothpaste, and it came off easier for me. So I'm going to do this side the same way, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I'm going to squirt the toothpaste on here, and then I'm just going to take the baking soda and pour it on top. Then I took the toothbrush and I just rubbed it around. And just brush it like if you're gonna brush your teeth. Same way like how I did my headlights. And then I'm going to take the Brillo pad, first I put my glove on, and just go up and down, scrubbing. Up, keep scrubbing. As you can see, now all the rust came off. There we go. Okay. This is how the handlebars are coming out so far. I put toothpaste on that too, but I'm going to put a little more so I can show you guys.
I tried calling you. Something's wrong. You know that feeling you've been having that somebody's been following you? I'm getting that same feeling tonight.
Okay, rub it all over.
Get away from me.
Take the baking soda and just sprinkle it all over. Not a lot, because you could just take it right up from the newspaper and then just start scrubbing away.
Go away.
Watch the movie. Bringing all the toothpaste. Baking soda. Go back to using the pad. All the toothpaste also won't be so sticky. Take this down. Make hot soapy water. So once you finish cleaning it with the soap and water, then you're going to wipe it down dry with a paper towel. So, all clean and neat. Oh, and the inside of it. Let's see what's in here. Okay, clean in there. And the wipe is completely clean. You dry it off with paper towel. Alright, so now once the bike is completely dry, you're going to start covering the parts you don't want the spray paint to hit. So you're going to just cover it with some masking tape. And cover all the areas that you do not want the spray paint to touch. So that's what I'm about to do now. I already did that part. I'm going to do the tires, but I don't want the white. I don't want any spray paint to get onto the white. Alright, so now once you finish covering what you don't want painted with the masking tape, you can begin spraying. What color is your bike, Munson?
Red.
Red, very good.
Watch out, baby.
Alright, good morning, guys. Look at my yummy food. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat it. You want to say good morning, Munson?
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Morning.
And here's so far the process on this bike. When I finish eating, I will show you guys the rest. Yummy, yummy. Alright, guys. Time to take the tape off. Let's see. And I also got these Spider-Man stickers. I put a few of them on. Don't go by that street. I don't know why I got his bike. He's that one over there, too. You see the garbage truck? Get over here. Why so funny? Oh, I forgot 2 spaces to have the tape. Let's see if I can get it off. Got it. Now all the tape is off. Alright, it came out okay. Got most of the rest off of here, which is good. Did the best I could with the handlebars.